Hello everyone, good morning or good afternoon depending on what time you're seeing this video. I'm going to do keto rice in two ways. The normal way, which is with cauliflower. I'm going to process this mini processor, or if not, if you don't have one, well, we need to use a blender. And the other one I'm going to use is jicama. Just an idea on two different ways to make keto rice. Yeah, this is kind of starting to go bad, so I'm going to peel off everything quickly before it starts going even worse bad. I'm going to peel it and cut it and use the food processor, shred it really small. Okay, so I will do that in silent and speed up the video. so here is the results. Cauliflower rice with a little tiny bit of red peppers. Now you can chop it up more thicker. I like it fine like this. As you can see, it's not mushy, it's just perfect for me, and it's very tasty with butter. Trust me, I put butter because I love butter. Now I just put salt, butter. I first heat up the pan with lard, and then I put some butter, and basically that's all. I don't squeeze the liquid out of the cauliflower because you can fry it up on the pan and all the liquid will come out, right? But for the jicama, that one has a lot of liquid, so I had to squeeze out. As you saw, the cup that I showed you, it was almost 2 cups of water that came out of that jicama. So anyways, I like the way this looks. It looks more better than the cauliflower to me. It's more beautiful and it tastes good as well. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.